Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I provide honest reviews on makeup and skincare products, mostly from subscription boxes such as Ipsy, Boxycharm, including makeup from Sephora. Today I will be unboxing and providing my honest reviews on Boxycharm's Base Beauty Box for the month of March. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I have a link below for more info and it would definitely help me out a lot. First, some housekeeping. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Now without further ado, let's get right to it. So this is Boxycharm's Base Beauty Box for the month of March, and this will be my first time unboxing this, so we'll do it together. And here is the insert for March. So I have 5 full-size beauty products in my Base Beauty Box, and the 5 items I have are the Lime Crime Venus Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $38. The Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, which retails for $39. The Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray, and that retails for $22. My 4th item is the Cap Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil, and I can't wait to try that one. And that retails for $20. And my 5th final item in my Base Beauty Box is the Billion Dollar Brow Clear Brow Gel, and that retails for $18. So I have located my first item in the box, and it is the Lime Crime Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette. I already love this packaging. It's very creative art, and you have a picture of Venus on here, and she is beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just unpackaging this for the first time, so let's just take a look at what the colors look like. Oh wow, I am in love with these colors. And these colors are just as beautiful as Venus. You've got the shades of purple, some neutral colors, browns, pinks, roses. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just going to take a look at what Boxycharm has to say about this product. And it says that this palette is filled with Rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra-buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. So I'm just going to try some of these colors swatches on my arm. Now this shade is Dreamy. This shade is Dream. Wow, I just love that. I love the vibrance and the glimmer. Now this shade is Heavenly. This one is also very pretty. It's very light, very shimmery. And this color here is called Rapture. And the next color is called Ecstasy. So let's see what that looks like. Wow, that definitely is very eye-popping and very, very vibrant. Now this color is called Paradise. And look at that. That is beautiful. The next 2 colors are, this color is called Bliss. Wow. It is just as beautiful as Venus herself. And the best one for last, this color is called Beloved. Wow, wow. I just love how these colors just pop out at you. They're very shimmery and bright, very vibrant. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on these colors. So I'm going to try out 4 colors. I'm going to try this color, which is Rapture, all over my eye. Then I'm going to try this color, Dreamy, on my crease. Then I'm going to try this color, which is called Heavenly, on my brow bone. And lastly, we're going to use the color Ecstasy on my lower lid. So the next item on my list is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. And according to Boxycharm, it says it's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals and lasting hydration without clogging your pores. It is also very good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. Has anyone heard of cica? I love the packaging of this product. If you look inside, it's a box with pictures of bananas. That's very unique. The writing on this box, it says High Glow Gang. And it looks like it has some writing that's in a different language, which I'm not really sure what language that is. It's either Italian or French. So here is our Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Cute, cute, cute. I just love the bottle, the packaging, the presentation. Let's just open it up. Wow. This definitely smells like a banana souffle for real, ladies. I almost just want to eat it. And it looks like it would be very delicious. The texture is also very soft. It's very light. I just can't get over how good it smells. I'm just going to put a little bit on my face because I'm just so curious of how this feels. Wow, I love this. The smell, the texture, the presentation. Here is a closer look. Thumbs up from me on this one. So let's look for our third item in the box. And it is this Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Now, I don't really use that many setting sprays, but I'm dying to try this one out. According to Boxycharm, it says, set your intentions and your makeup with this ultra-lifting, antioxidant-packed rose water setting spray. Mist it all over your face for a finished look. Here is a closer look. So we just put on our eyeshadow. Let's just spray our face and let's see if it works. So like I said, I don't use very many setting sprays, but I'll probably give this one a chance, see if I'll like it. Comment down below and let me know if you are using this and what your thoughts are on this. So I have 2 more items in my base beauty box. My fourth item is this Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil in Honeydew. Now I'm just dying to try this one out because, as you know me, I love all lip products. According to Boxycharm, it says say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. And our shade is Honeydew. So let's just open this one up. Wow, wow. Take a look at this. Let's just try this on, should we? Wow. Now this is a lip oil and it definitely gives a lot of shine, instant burst of shine. However, I'm not sure. I have some mixed feelings about this product, but I will definitely give it a chance. The last item in my base beauty box is the $1 Billion Brow Clear Gel. And here it is. And here is a closer look. Now I do use a lot of brow gels and that definitely helps to volumize and shape my brows. So I'm dying to check this one out as well. Now it's a clear brow gel, so it's not tinted, but it does lock in the look, keeping your brows perfectly in place. It says it's flake-free, gentle hold, sets in seconds. So let's just try this one out. So girls, I'm just brushing against my brow and just shaping it into place. So what do you think? I love this. I love that it's clear. Love the bristles on this brow brush. I love how it shapes and defines my brows. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this product. So those were 5 full-size beauty products for Boxycharm's Base Beauty Box for the month of March. I loved all of them. Now, I only paid $25 for the base box, and I totaled up all of the items in my box and it came up to a total of $137. That is incredible. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite products were in this box. So it definitely has been fun and I love trying on those wonderful beauty products with you. Please support my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. If you like this video, then check out my channel for my other videos. Also, check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and my handle is Linsada Reviews. See you next video. Bye!